McPherson from the agency and welcome to 69 Carbeen Drive in Taranganba. If privacy in a central location is what you seek, you're going to absolutely love what this property has to offer.
Gonna fly, leave those stories on the road. We're gonna fly here and let things just flow. We're gonna take some risks, make a life.
The galley-style kitchen really is the hub of the home, centrally located and flowing effortlessly through to the lounge and outdoor entertaining. Situated on a 925 metre square allotment with no neighbours at the back and at the end of a no-through road, you're going to love the space and privacy that 69 Carbeen Drive has to offer. If you'd like to own your piece of coastal paradise, please do not hesitate to contact me, Anna McPherson. I'd love to talk to you.